Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop videos on TikTok. So first you want to open up TikTok and you want to go to the bottom where you see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This is going to open up your camera, and what you want to do is go to where it says upload at the bottom right. Then you want to select the video that you want to upload and then go ahead and click on next. And if you click on where it says adjust clips, you'll be able to adjust when the clip starts and ends, so you can crop out the ending here as well as the beginning, and it will only play during this duration of the video. However, this only adjusts the trimming of the video, not the actual cropping. So what you actually want to do is open up your Photos app on your phone, and you want to go ahead and click on the edit button. Next, go to the bottom where you see this crop icon here, and now you can actually crop the video. So if you drag any one of these corners, let's drag this bottom corner here, we can actually adjust the cropping of the video. So let's say we only want to get this top right corner of the video, and we can go ahead and click on where it says done. And now the video is actually going to be cropped to this size. So if we go back to TikTok, let's go ahead and discard our changes here. Then let's go back and click on the upload button. Then we want to select this video that we just cropped. So go ahead and tap on select. And now we have a cropped version of the original video here. And again, if we want to adjust this clip and crop out the ending or the beginning, we can do so like this. We can go ahead and click on save. And now if we click on next, we can upload our cropped video to TikTok. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.